Yes, so we have it here, and let's see. Let me just clip everything out. Let me just open it up. Let's go. Okay, so now let's see what we have inside here. Okay, so let me just clear everything out. Okay, so let's see. This is the wireless microphone, and this is the storage box. Okay, the storage box. This is it. So let's see what we have inside here. Okay, so let's see. So inside the box we have the receivers and then also the transmitters right here. So this is the receiver, these are the transmitters. Okay, so we also have the charging box or the charging cable right inside here. So let me just take this out, and also we have the manual here, so you just follow and then you just learn anything that you think you don't understand from there. So let's see, this is the charging cable. Okay, so now let's go to the device itself and let's see what we have, the specs, what is in this, the receiver and also the transmitter. But before we start, if you want to subscribe to the channel, subscribe for more unboxing. Let's continue with it. Like as well. Let's go. So let's start with the transmitters first. So this is the transmitter, and with the transmitter we have the windproof net here, windproof net, and also we have the charging port right here. So this is the charging port, because this device has an inbuilt battery, so just charge it and then you just keep it using them for any occasion. Okay, so let's go to another one. We have the clip here to help you clip it to anything that you want, and we have the power button on and off right here. Also we have the indicator. Okay, the indicator is here to let you know that the device is on low battery or paired or connected to your receiver. Okay, so let's go to the receiver and let's see what we have with the receiver. Okay, so with the receiver too, there is it. Yes, so just connect it to your iPhone through this port, and it also has a charging port. So whilst you've connected the device or the receiver to your phone, you can just charge your device or your smartphone, yes, your iPhone, through this port at the same time. So this is it for the receiver. Also it has indicator right here to let you know whether it is connected or not. Okay, so let's go back to the box and let's look at something right here. So this is what I want you to take note of. Yes, 20 meters. So you should not go far or beyond the range. Okay, so that you can just get your transmitter connected to your receiver to just talk through it and get everything into your phone. Okay, so the next thing is, let me test and let's see the sound quality. So I will just record with the phone and also record with the transmitters, and let's see how it goes. Let's start with it. Let's go. Okay, so now the microphone is on, and everything that you hear now is from the microphone, not from my phone. Yes, so let me know, is the quality okay? Is it something perfect, something that you were waiting for? It has the noise cancellation, so you cannot hear background sound, noise and everything. So let me know your comments. What do you think about this device? Okay, in the comment section. So let me just take it out and let's see how I sound. Okay, so with the mic, without the mic, this is how I sound. Without the mic, this is how I sound. Okay, so let me know which one is better. Is it the phone or the mic? Okay, the mic or the phone? Let me know it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.